Hello, welcome. I have a question on GCSE, some text from UK. So the diagram shows an isosceles triangle ABD and a straight line ABC. If we are having the length BA is equals to the length BD and the ratio of x and y, that is x is to y, is 3 is to 2. We have to work out the value of W in here. So you can see the whole diagram has no value. So pause the video and see if you can get answer to this. So now, there are so many approaches we can take. The easiest I am going to use will be the W is the exterior angle to this triangle. So if it is the exterior angle equals to the sum of two opposite interior angles. So if I add this and this, I will know what the W is. But marking of this or the information here shows that this angle is the same as this. That is the base angles of an isosceles. So I can say that from here, this angle here, so angle, let's describe it. Here will be angle BAD is equals to the angle ADB, which is also equals to x. Meaning this right here will also be x. So if that is the case, we can write that exterior angle equals to sum of what? Two opposite interior angles. If that is it, then we can say that the W will be equals to x plus x equals to what? 2x. So my attention is to ignore the y and find the value of x. If I find the value of x, I am good to go. So also in the interior angle here, I know, so in the interior of the triangle, I'll be having x plus what? Y. If I add all of them, I should be getting 180. So it means that there is an angle here plus an angle plus this give us this. But if you pick the ratio, you know the ratio is what we divide to get the various, what do you call it? The various angle. If you divide the angle, you get the ratio. So we can say that the ratio 3 is to x and 2 is to this. So if I have your x is to y equals to 3 is to 2. It means x is 3, y is what? 2. So I am going to say for the ratio, we are having 3 plus y, which is going to be 2. The ratio. How many parts is this divided? It is divided into 3, 3, 2. And how many parts is that? That will be 8 parts. So the total ratio, meaning this become the part into which we divide this. If that is the case, I can find the part of 1 of the x. So if this is equals to this, then it means that 1 of the x will be giving us what? Fraction of this. So we can say that the angle corresponding to x will be the ratio corresponding to x divided by what? The total part, which is the ratio, times the angle they are supposed to get, 180. So from here, we know this divided by this, times that on our calculator will give us 67.5 degree. That is the value of one of the x. This x. This is the 3 we are using. So you could have used the double. If you use the double, which is going to be 6 divided by 8 times this, will give you the answer directly from here. So therefore, our W will be equals to 2 times what? X. 2 times x. And our x is 67.5. And that will be 135 degrees. So the value of this will be 135, as the question is demanding. Now, if in case you don't want to make use of this property, you see from here, exterior angle and interior angle, you can just deal with the individual angles. From here, we will not find that of the x, but you find that of the y, meaning y angle will be equal to 2 parts divided by 8 times what? 180. You know, this is going to be 4. 4. 4 dividing that, 180 divided by 4 will give you 45. Meaning y is going to be 45. If y is 45, w plus y is 180. Angles on a straight line. Therefore, w will be 180 minus 45, 135 degrees. You get the same answer. If you don't want to use the exterior angle, you can also use the fact that the w and the y are on a straight line. You arrive at the same concept. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.